Hi everyone! We discovered something very interesting with these slappy bracelets. So my son was very interested and he wanted to cut them open to see what was inside. So here goes.
Okay, so I'm gonna just cut this tail open and then we can see what we... And we got this kind of ruler. There's a back and front. That was that one, and then what's that?
He wants to do a second one.
This one.
Alright, let's cut it open. Let's see what kind of mystery ruler is on the inside.
And we got this one with a back.
Oh, there's a back on that one?
Yeah.
So if you ever get slap bracelets or want to make your own slap bracelet, apparently it is just recycled tape measure. Good. Yeah.
Ow.
Okay, bye-bye.